Hey everyone, I'm back with another Get Ready With Me. I'm just in the mood to do a little bit of makeup today, so I'm like, you know what, let's do another YouTube video because I haven't uploaded one in a while. I do have like one or two that I have to like really edit and upload. They're like travel vlogs, and I also hope that my camera doesn't die because I haven't charged it in a few days, but I got a new light setup. It's kind of blinding if I stare into it, but I'm hoping that you guys like the new lighting setup. Anyways, I'm gonna prep my skin with this eye cream from Kiehl's. It's the Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. I got this as a Christmas present a long time ago. I just received this through PR a few days ago, and I love this stuff. So much easier to apply now because I have like shorter nails. I had really long nails a few days ago and they broke. But anyways, I'm not gonna use primer today. I did put some moisturizer on as well earlier. So I'm just gonna prep the under eye. I wish I had like such an aesthetic bathroom to like film in, like those white tiled bathrooms. They just look so nice. That would be like such a vibe right now. I'm gonna use the Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Foundation. I love this stuff. Even the words are already like coming off of the bottle. But this foundation is my go-to. Also, this brush is the brush that you didn't know you needed. I recently started my online college classes again. I am on my second half of the semester because I did have a little break in between. So I'm finishing the rest of my semester. Also, my birthday's coming up and I don't really know what I'm gonna do. At this point, I just feel like chilling at home or something. But anyways, I'm gonna go with the baby of the foundation, which is the Armani Luminous Silk Concealer. This concealer, this is like top tier. It is currently a hot mess, or at least it has been a hot mess for a while, but this stuff is very creamy. And I usually only like to use it under my eyes. Also, for those who watch my TikToks and are always complimenting me on my base, this is basically the steps of achieving the base I usually go for. I'm using the One Size Made for Shade Bronze and Sculpt Trio for bronzer. I just need to bronze up a little bit to add a little bit of dimension. I usually just go for like the 3 shades that are in the set or in the compact, and I'll just blend. Every time I keep like recording, I feel like I'm chopping my head off like standing too tall right now. I'm kind of like bent over. I don't really have a good chair to sit down on. Like, I don't have enough space here. I've been collecting a few like product empties because I want to make like a product empties video. So I'm trying my best to like collect like this empty like bottles of product, even though I just hate having garbage around, but I'm doing it because I want to like do it for YouTube and TikTok because I know a lot of people love watching those kinds of videos. I like using anything up, whether it's a gift or like I buy it. I love to use it up. I just think like, why am I gonna like why am I gonna hoard products if I'm not gonna use them? And once I use them, I'll just like collect the little bottles and have them for decoration too, so it's kind of like a win-win. I love making Get Ready With Me's like this on YouTube because it's just like so much longer and I can talk my heart out basically. I feel like on TikTok, I really feel like I have to talk so fast, like at 3 times speed or whatever. Videos are just too short for me on TikTok. And if it's long, like I might as well click on someone's link and watch their YouTube video than just be scrolling on TikTok and watching a 10-minute video. I'm using my favorite blush. I say it over and over again. I usually use it with like a highlighter brush from Morphe. These brushes are literally deteriorating, but that's probably because I washed them a lot. But yeah, like no makeup brush really lasts me that long. Still have not tried out the new reformulation. I hope it doesn't disappoint me because this stuff is really good. I think this is the same formulation from 2019 or 2020, and I just bought this like last year. I've been flaunting like this baby pink nail polish. This is literally the only color I paint my nails now. It's the Chanel Ballerina nail polish. I'm gonna set my makeup a little bit with the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. I usually only set my T-zone area because that's where I'm oily. This weather is literally crazy. The sun just went down. for a few seconds, but now it's back. I'm really hoping it's not gonna rain today because I'm sick and tired of the rain. We've had rain like for several days in a week. I'm using the NYX New Truffle Lip Liner, even though I feel like it's a little too light for me. I'm using the Dior Lip Addict lipstick. This is the shade Rose Events, which is number 422. And usually I just dab it on because I love that pinkish brown nude lip. Sometimes I'll even put like a little bit of setting powder on top, and it just creates like the most pretty matte lipstick. This is slightly too pink on its own, so it's mandatory to like mix it with a brown lip liner. And to top off the process of getting ready, I'm going to use the Prada Paradox Intense perfume. I got this sent to me a few days ago, and this smells so good. I'm kind of scared of like how strong this perfume is, because these intense perfumes, this stuff does not come off until like a few days later. So like I'll do like one spray on my neck, or like even two, and I like doing it on my clothes too. I love like the dry down. It smells very fruity, it smells very floral, and also the bottle is so cute. I just keep it on like my dresser. It just makes my dresser look a little bit more fancy, so I really like how it looks on just sitting on there. So thank you to Prada for sending it to me. I just wanted to like use it in this video. And of course I have my jewelry on. I put some rings on. I put this Midjouri necklace on, and I also used these Midjouri earrings, which is the Loire collaboration, because it has a little Loire charm, which I really love. I'm super obsessed with that. And I kind of wanted to go with like the red today because I have this vintage little coat I thrifted a long time ago, and I never got the chance to wear it. So now it's fall and I have the chance to wear this coat. I didn't iron it or anything, but yeah, I'm kind of like sporting the French girl look today because I'm wearing jeans and I'm wearing like a black buckle belt. I'm just gonna add my Doc Martens because I don't really know what other comfortable shoe to wear today. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys an outfit of the day in a minute. Here's the outfit of the day. I have this little light up here for now, but this is the outfit. I'm wearing this vintage thrifted coat with the Aritzia bodysuit. I have this vintage thrifted buckle belt, and I have these like PacSun jeans I've had for a while, and I paired the outfit with a pair of Doc Martens. Yeah, it's giving like French girl vibes. I've been watching too many Parisian vibe videos. I guess it took an effect on me for today, but anyways, this is a very cute look for today. I usually never see myself wearing red, but I'm obsessed with this little jacket or little coat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to do more Get Ready With Me's, and I hope you guys like my Get Ready With Me videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.